You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds, pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
This afternoon, the Pacific Northwest was glowing. Warm light, soft breeze, the kind that pulls you outside without even trying. Standing in the yard, I couldn't help imagining all the backyard toys and little treasure that turned this space into its own sanctuary. Backyard goals aren't just about looks. They're about joy, calm, and reconnecting with nature in the simplest way. A quick reminder, caring for your outdoor pieces matter just as much as buying them. A little maintenance and a smart storage keep the magic going all season long. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.